everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Nirzara Bagh. I am a homeopathy doctor and a psychological counselor practicing in Pune. First of all, thank you so much for watching my previous video and subscribing to my channel. So today the topic which I have taken is something which might be very helpful for a lot of people amongst us. The topic for today is anxiety. To begin with, let me just tell you an incident about one of my patients. So he was a regular 28-year-old guy who was having a good diet, good lifestyle. He was completely living a carefree life. It was just a regular day for him. He got up in the morning, went to office, started working, and after a couple of hours of working, he suddenly started feeling a bit of discomfort. थोड़ी घबराहट होने लग गई उसे, बट उसे लगा पता नहीं कुछ हो रहा होगा, सो उसने थोड़ी देर के लिए इग्नोर कर दिया. After some time, he again started feeling little more discomfort and he started feeling hot. बहुत गर्मी होने लग गई, बहुत पसीना आने लग गया उसे. तो शुरुआत में उसे लगा शायद एसी में कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी, थोड़ी देर में ठीक हो जाएगा, बट फिर भी धीरे धीरे करके वो डिस्कम्फर्ट फीलिंग बढ़ने लग गया. देन ही स्टार्टेड फीलिंग मोर अनकंफर्टेबल, पैल्पिटेशंस होने लग गए, चक्कर आने लग गया, और ज़्यादा घबराहट होने लग गई. धीरे धीरे उसको ट्रेमलिंग भी चालू हो गई. उसे बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि ये हो क्या रहा है. He started feeling very scared and he thought that he is losing control. He is completely losing control of the situation. उसे लगा शुरुआत में कि शायद शुगर लेवल कम हो गया है. So he thought, why not I will just go and have a little bit of sugar. तो ब्लड शुगर नॉर्मल आ जाएगा एंड ठीक लगने लग जाएगा. After having sugar also, he was still not feeling fine. He went to the washroom, tried to freshen up, मुंह धोने की कोशिश की तो भी तकलीफ हो रही थी. धीरे धीरे करके तकलीफ उसकी और बढ़ने लग गई, उसे और ज़्यादा डर लगने लग गया. चेस्ट पेन होने लग गया, ऐसे लग रहा था कि उसे हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा. He wanted to just leave from office and go home, but he was feeling ashamed of the fact that he is feeling scared. उसे लोगों को बताना नहीं था कि उसे डर लग रहा है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं आज की सोसाइटी में उसे एक वीकनेस माना जाता है. So what he did is he just went to his boss and he just gave an excuse. He said कि यार कुछ अर्जेंट काम आ गया है तो मुझे शायद कहीं निकलना पड़ेगा, and he left from office. Finally he thought that I should go to a doctor and just get myself checked. So he reached my clinic. By the time he reached my clinic, it was already about 15-20 minutes from the episode that had started. So till that time he had become slightly more calm. After he reached, the first thing we did was we checked his blood pressure, his pulse rate and the ECG. Thankfully all the 3 investigations were normal. This, my friends, was a very classic example of an anxiety attack or an anxiety episode. So there was a reason why I chose this particular incident or this particular story to tell all of you, because this incident actually tells us a lot about the classical symptoms of anxiety. It gives us a lot of information about this entire phenomena of anxiety. The first thing which we can get to know from this example is that anxiety is one thing which can occur at any time and it can affect anybody. इसमें किसी को भी ये तकलीफ कभी भी हो सकती है. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि कोई डिस्टर्बिंग इवेंट हो जाए लाइफ में, उसके बाद ये तकलीफ चालू होती है. बट कुछ टाइम या फिर कुछ लोगों में बिना कोई डिस्टर्बिंग इवेंट के भी ये तकलीफ चालू हो सकती है. Even if you are leading a very normal carefree life, you can still have these anxiety episodes and you are not at fault in it. It can happen to any and every person. Another important point which I want to mention through this video is that if you have listened carefully to this story, even if the person was suffering so much, the first reaction of that person was to hide his suffering. उसे बहुत डर लग रहा था तो भी वो छुपाना चाहता था. He was not comfortable in letting people know that he is scared. But friends, this is one place where we need to come out and talk to people. We need to reach out. शुरुआत में डेफिनेटली और लगेगा कि किसी को ऐसे कैसे बता दूँ कि मुझे डर लग रहा है. बट अगर तुम ये डर छुपाना चाहोगे या उसको दबाने की कोशिश करोगे तो वो तकलीफ और बढ़ते जाएगी. people will definitely understand. You just need to speak out about it. Apart from this, one more very important thing which I generally do with all of my patients, and I would urge everybody of you to do, is that please always get yourself checked. Do not ever skip any kind of investigations. When that person came to me, it was very clear for me that it was just an anxiety episode, but I still went ahead with all the kinds of investigations just to rule out any other complaint that can occur. So that is one thing which should never be missed from our side. Friends, I agree that those who go through anxiety are going through a difficult phase. It is really very difficult to accept that we are going through something like this. बहुत तकलीफ होती है, but we just need to gather some courage and go ahead and fight it. लोगों को ये बोलना बहुत आसान होता है कि अरे इतनी सी तो बात है, इसमें डरने की क्या बात है, बट जो इंसान उस चीज़ में से गुजरता है उसी को पता है कि वो कितनी तकलीफदायक चीज़ है. No, one thing what I would want to end my video with is that anxiety is something which may really trouble you mentally, but it is not something which will actually harm you physically. So those of you who are going through anxiety or who are battling this suffering, I would really want to say that you are very brave to go ahead and fight it out. It is not a sign of weakness at all, but it is a sign of strength. So as I had mentioned earlier, this is going to be a series of videos in which I would be covering different aspects of anxiety in the entire series. So if you want to know more about anxiety, please do subscribe to my channel. If you have found this video helpful, do like it, and if you know somebody who might be going through these complaints, do definitely share this video with them. You just might end up helping them a lot. Thank you.